Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online learning initiative Ekalaiva.
So far, we discussed about refraction at a plane interface. Now, let us consider refraction by a single spherical surface and follow it by thin lenses. A thin lens is a transparent optical medium bounded by two surfaces. Out of two surfaces, at least one of which should be spherical. Applying the formula for image formation by a single spherical surface successively at the two surfaces of a lens, we can obtain the lens maker's formula and then the lens formula. Let us start with refraction at a spherical surface. Here is the diagram which shows the geometry of formation of the image I of an object O on the principal axis of a spherical surface with center of curvature C and the radius of curvature R. Actually here the rays are incident from a medium of refractive index N1. Okay, so this ray is our incident ray. Here the refractive index of the medium is N1 and to the another refractive index N2. So this is the other medium whose refractive index is N2. Okay, and here we have to consider one more thing which is very important. The aperture of the surface, which is very small compared to other distances. Okay, so we can also consider the small angle approximation here. In particular, this NM will be taken to be nearly equal to the length of the perpendicular from the point N on the principal axis. So for small angles, this is very important, children. For small angles, tan NOM NOM is equal to MN divided by OM and angle tan angle NCM is equal to MN divided by MC. Again, tan angle NIM is equal to MN divided by MI. Okay, so here the two refractive indices, that is this one, N1 be the refractive index of this medium and N2 be the refractive index of this medium, C be the center of curvature and R be the radius of curvature. And all of you are familiar with that. What is object distance and image distance? U be the object distance and V be the image distance. Okay, so all these things you are familiar for you. Now let us consider the triangle NOC. So for triangle NOC, I is the exterior angle. Okay, I is the exterior angle. Therefore, I is equal to angle N O M. N O M plus angle N C M. Okay, so I can be written as I is equal to, actually you know what is angle NOM. MN divided by OM plus what is NCM? MN divided by MC. So MN divided by MC. Similarly, what is R? R is equal to angle NCM minus NIM. Okay. NIM. So R is equal to MN divided by MC minus MN divided by MI. So we got what is I and what is R. Okay. So now let us apply Snell's law of diffraction. Okay. So by Snell's law, N1 sin I is equal to N2 sin R. Okay, because here the angles are very, very small. So for small angles, how can you write N1 I is equal to N2 R. Okay, already we know what is I and R. So let us substitute the values of I and R here in this equation. Okay, so take this is your equation number 3. So when you substitute it, what will you get? N1 MN by OM plus MN by MC. This is for I is equal to N2 into MN by MC minus MN by MI. This is for R. Okay. So you can cancel this MN on both the sides because everywhere on the in the numerator you have MN both on left hand side and right hand side. So we can cancel everything. So MN will be cancelled here. Cancel MN. Okay. So N1 by OM. And now we are going to bring this MI to this side. So you can write it as, already this is negative. Okay. So this can be written as N2 divided by MI is equal to, here you have N1 by MC, here you have N2 by MC. So can you write it as N2 minus N1 by MC, because MC is a common denominator here. Okay. So now we are going to substitute what is OM, MI and MC. So look at the diagram here, children. What is OM? OM is nothing but your object distance. Okay. So we can return as by applying sign convention, OM is equal to minus U. And what about MI, which is the image distance? MI is equal to plus V. And what is MC? MC is equal to radius of curvature plus R. So substitute it here in the above equation, that is in the fourth equation, you will get N2 by V minus N1 by U, right, is equal to N2 minus N1 divided by R. So this is the very important relation. N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 divided by R. So we know very well that what is N1 and N2, N1 be the refractive index of the first medium and N2 be the refractive index of the second medium, and U be the object distance and V be the image distance and R be the radius of curvature. Okay, so this relation, this is a relation between object and image distance in terms of refractive index of the medium and the radius of curvature of the curved spherical surface. Okay, and this relation which holds for any curved spherical surface. Okay. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, students.